Let's discuss navigation in PlantSim. First, here's the menu bar with the menu bar options directly underneath. Note that your menu bar may change based on your currently selected window in PlantSim, as you can see when I go between looking at the model versus when I'm writing code. Under the menu bar options, there may be a toolbox of objects. You can find all the objects you have access to here and also in the class library window. We will label the main area of the screen as the work window. This is where you will build your model. Under the work window, you can have a console to read your messages. Any kinds of errors or custom print statements you make will show here. I'm not going to talk about each option as PlantSim has similar functionality to other programs you will be familiar with, but I want to highlight specific popular areas that I find myself using quite a lot when working with a model. First, under the File drop-down, we sometimes use the Pack and Go feature for customers who don't have PlantSim licenses, as this feature can build an executable of the model. Next, looking at the Debugger tab, if I need to step through methods, I can do that one by one by enabling the stop options on controls. If I'm updating code in general, the incorrect methods and outdated functions come in handy. And the Profiler tab to the far right allows me to troubleshoot why my model may be running slowly or computationally heavy. On the Window tab, if I have lost a screen or window for whatever reason, I can easily pull it back up. And sometimes, I want to find my to-do comments in code. I can do this on the Frame tab using the Find Object button. On the Edit tab, I can import and exchange graphics or create my own graphics. Thanks for watching.